In manufacturing, downtime is the enemy. One broken machine can cost $10,000 a minute. But what if the machine could tell you it was sick before it died? That's the promise of AI. This is Industry 4.0. It's not just automation, it's intelligence. We're moving from machines that just do to machines that think, optimizing themselves in real time. First, predictive maintenance. Sensors listen to the vibration and heat of equipment. AI analyzes that data to spot subtle changes like a bearing wearing out weeks before it fails. You fix it during a scheduled break, not an emergency shutdown. Second, quality control. Human eyes get tired. Computer vision cameras don't. AI can scan thousands of parts per minute, spotting microscopic cracks or paint defects with 99.9% accuracy. It reduces waste and ensures only perfect products leave the door. Third, generative design. Engineers tell the AI, I need a bracket that holds this weight, but weighs as little as possible. The AI generates hundreds of alien-looking, optimized designs that humans would never draw, saving material costs and weight. Fourth, safety and simulation. Digital twins let you simulate production changes in a virtual factory before risking the real one. And AI cameras can flag safety risks like a worker too close to a forklift preventing accidents in real time. The challenge: legacy gear. Connecting 30-year-old machines to the cloud is hard, and skills. You need workers who can fix the machine and read the data tablet. It's a culture shift, not just a tech upgrade. The factory of the future isn't dark, it's data-driven. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. It really helps us grow.